gear 3 right now, range A. And then, like I said, we call them the slap shifter. There's 4th gear. The brakes work absolutely good, guys. So here would be 1st gear. Slap it over to 2nd. Slap it back down to 1st. We're going to check the reverse on range A. There's reverse. Slaps it over into the next gear. We're just going to take you through every range, guys. I know it's tedious, but a lot of you guys want to know if everything works right. So we're going to go up into range B now. We're in B. Got a shifter right there. Well, let's see. 5th gear. 5th gear. There's 6. Got to clutch it to go up to 7th. And slap her over to 8. Guys, everything works the way it should, shifts the way it should in this tractor. How you holding up, Deere? Bouncing around. That camera seems a little bit jumpy. Let's see, go green. So that's going to be road gear. We're not going to check that one here, honey. Let's just go to C range. Alright, it's going to be a little fast. Okay. So you can slap it down a gear again. Shift back up. Again, brakes work absolutely good. If you get on too much, it'll put you like Garfield on the windshield of this thing. Okay, there's the other set. Get the power shift over again. There we go. We're feeding cattle now, honey. Shifting back down, watch your head. There we go. Hopefully that cord will come out. Don't have too many witnesses. Alright guys, next video we're going to get this thing out on the road so you can show it running down the road and show that everything works.